Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the ink cartridges and hopefully improve print quality on a HP OfficeJet 5230. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen found on the front of the printer. So if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this, a little home icon will be lit on the left here. So press that to be taken here. Now we move ourselves along, dragging to the left on the touchscreen until we can see Setup, which is represented by this little cog here. So press to go into that. Then we need to go into Tools, which is the bottom option. And once we're in Tools, Clean Cartridges is the top option. Now this will take your printer just a minute. You'll hear lots of clicking and whirring from the printer. And what it's doing is pushing ink through the ink cartridge's printhead to kind of dislodge any dried or congealed ink that can be found on the bottom of the cartridge, to allow that ink to flow properly and hopefully improve your print quality. And once this is done, your printer will print a print quality diagnostic, which looks like this, showing a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow, the 4 different colour inks that your printer uses. Light cyan, light magenta and light yellow, you need to worry about less, purely because it's just the printer using less of the ink. If you're seeing any lines or missing colours, even after the clean, it's likely to be a stubborn blockage on the cartridge itself, but thankfully your printer will automatically offer you a second level of cleaning, as shown here. If you want to take advantage of that, just click yes. If, however, your print's looking perfect like mine, click no, and you'll be taken back. And if any print quality issues remain, you can just carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you see the improvement you're looking for with your prints. Please do leave me a like if this video has been useful. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.